What's up, you guys? This is Ike, and I'm back to share another video with you guys on how I was able to replace a Galaxy Note 9 battery in a customer's phone, and the whole repair went together successfully. Other than that, I just wanted to point out one note in this video. That if you're going to be doing it yourself, to look out for, and that is, if you continue to watch it throughout the video, I'll be pointing that out to you guys. Yeah, if you guys like, just kick back and enjoy, and we'll just go from there. So here's what I wanted to point out to you guys. When removing the battery, you want to stay along the blue edge and not the center here, because if you scrape that center, it will show when you turn your phone on the display. So prying it off, I say maybe a 1/4 inch to go up on it to get the battery out. You should be okay. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, to the channel. We would love to have you, welcome you aboard. We enjoy posting content that can be helpful for you guys in some kind of way, as well as entertaining. So yeah, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we're gonna end this video on that note. I hope you guys take good care of yourself. Stay blessed, and we'll see you in the next one.